You good?
Yep, are you recording?
Yes.
Alright.
Hey everyone, we are at the Tsukuba-san Jinja, about 1.5 hours from Tokyo. We are doing something called the Hanayaki project this weekend. So basically it's a weekend where we are displaying a lot of flowers here at the Tsukuba Jinja. There's gonna be lots of women wearing kimono. There's gonna be other different things happening. So I wanna give you a tour to see where we're gonna display the different flowers. So follow me. Here we have Toe-san making a little flowers here in this huge bowl that we are decorating for the entrance here behind me. We're trying to make, it's not such a big location, so we're gonna try to make the entrance quite sort of rich and interesting. Here also an old sort of welcome sign entrance of the temple. And you sort of go up all these different stairs up to the main part of the temple, which is called the Honten. I'm focusing too much on what's what, but I'm not filming it. That is a little bit difficult, you know what I mean? So I think we got this ready to on. It's a little bit new for me here. So there's a lot of stairs going up to this Jinja here, as you can see, as we approach the many stairs. Here is the main staircase is coming here behind me. We have put some really beautiful moss ball. There's beautiful Vanda orchids and pepperberry sort of coming down, these beautiful round moss balls that we have created. You can see them here coming up the stairs. There's already even, we're just in the setup process, a lot of people are taking pictures already. Konnichiwa. We have come up further of one of the big staircases. Behind me here we have another of these round ornaments, the bowls made out of the kogeln, the nishikiki. Here we are putting in Guzmania and anthurium leaves. Because of the season, it's pretty cold at night. We have had a little bit of challenge of finding out which flowers would be the best to use and so forth, but it's been a good learning experience to find out what we might have frost in the evening, so that's why it can be a little bit difficult to find the right type of flowers for this weekend exhibition here. It's going to be on for 3 days, some flowers will need, of course, a lot of water, and some flowers won't have to have water at all because of the cold temperatures. かわいいじゃん。ね。めっちゃカラフルじゃない？あれ入れちゃっていいよ。あそこの遠いさんが持ってる黄色い。うん、それも入れたらいいと思う。あっちで使えないから。うん。Here's sort of in between sort of the many staircases here. There's like platforms where we are displaying things. Here behind me, we have made these 3 sort of cylinders that's going to be decorated with flowers. So some of these things, as you can see, is very, very detailed works. There's wire used. There's glass tubes used. So a lot of things has been planned for this. As you can see here, the different glass tubes. We have all the branches. The moss has been made around this box. Of course, there's a lot of weight inside the box, so the things doesn't tip over if it should be windy or so forth. So a lot of details have been put into these different works here. Look at the moss. There's natural moss on all the branches. You can see here I haven't seen that for a long time. It's really amazing. So what I think is really interesting with this shrine here is there's so many small shrines within the big Tsukuba-san shrine, and here you can see one of them behind me here. We're gonna do We're gonna use these flowers. I'll show you over here. These ones I actually made in our studio just yesterday. These things here are gonna go around this little shrine here. I'll show you the different one we made. There's some hydrangeas. We have some hypericum. There's some viburnum, carnation. They're also gonna have the epidendron orchids coming out of the top. So we also behind me here, there's a little pond where nothing has been decided yet, but I thought it could be really exciting if we could put something into the water, as long as I don't have to go in. And here we have another sort of big installation at a big space behind me here. This is 2 round shapes that we have built up with the branches all the way around. We have each and every branch has been put on with glue, so just like that has taken several days to make these 2 installations behind me. On top we will have I think about 200-300 tulips in each, which is going to be very springy, colorful, and hopefully a lot of pictures will be taken here. This was probably one of the older shrines within Tsukuba-san Jinja. Oh, I can see we started. Look at this. This is really, really old and really beautiful. You can really see how this has been around for some time. I'll show you here. I love when you can really see the colors, like how old it is fading out, and the different materials used here. It's so beautiful. So these 2 shapes that we have made here is the same as the small station that I showed you before. So these are gonna sort of create like a set in front of this shrine here, and sort of be a welcoming flower for this particular place here. And I think that more or less wraps up the different locations that we're gonna decorate. So a lot of hard work for the next few hours, but now we're gonna use a lot of fresh flowers, so it's gonna be lots of fun. I look forward to show you the finished design. See you.